Hello guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. In today's video we are going to make a facial moisturizer. Now this is not your regular facial moisturizer. It's a moisturizer that is going to lock moisture in the skin. So if you have dry skin, if you have dull skin, if you are looking for reducing wrinkles and fine lines, this moisturizer is going to get the job done. Since it is rich in antioxidants like vitamin A, vitamin C and vitamin E, it also have omega-5 and it also will help to boost collagen and elastin in the skin. So do not click off guys, continue watching the video, and if you're new here, a warm welcome to you. Please don't leave without subscribing. Look below, you're going to see the words subscribe. Subscribe for more videos, and if you're interested in clear skin, a smooth skin, this is the channel for you. So do not leave without subscribing. One more thing before I get in the kitchen guys, we have launched our skincare line, the Khichi Beauty skincare, and some of the products we're using today, we are going to put it right here. Just click on that view products and that is going to take you to our store. Go ahead and browse around. Now for those of you who do not have access to our store, we have a wide variety of DIYs on this channel that you can indulge in to get your skin to look smooth, clear, bright looking skin. So now let's get in the kitchen and start whipping this up.
So here I have a medium carrot, and you can use any type of carrot you have. Maybe some of you are not aware that we have white carrot and we also have purple carrot. Any carrot you have, you can make this recipe. Personally, I love using purple carrots, but you don't find these until the summertime in our farmers market. So I'm using a regular carrot and I'm going to prep the carrot. So I'm not going to peel the carrot. What I'm going to do, I'm going to thoroughly wash the carrot, since the peel of the carrot is more rich in vitamins and minerals for the skin. Once this is done, I'm going to chop the carrot in small pieces since I'm going to be blending. Now, if you do not have a blender, you can go ahead and you can grate the carrot, since all we're doing is extracting the carrot juice. Next, I'm going to reach for my small blender and I'm going to add the chopped carrot to the blender. Once this is in the blender, because the carrot is a bit on the hard side, I'm going to add some liquid to push it along. So I'm going to reach for some rose water, and rose water hydrates the skin and balance the natural pH levels of the skin. It's a perfect water to use in this recipe. So I'm using about 2 tablespoons of the rose water. I'm going to add this to the blender and take a look. Here it is, rose water and carrot. And what we're going to do next, we are going to blend. Another ingredient that you can use in this, if you have the fresh one, is some fresh aloe vera gel. We're going to use regular aloe vera gel at the end. So once we blend, take a look. Here we have the blended carrot, and what we're going to do, we are going to extract the juice, and I'm going to be using a strainer to do this. However, if you have a cheesecloth, you can go ahead and you can use the cheesecloth. So now that we have the carrot in the strainer, we're going to strain. So let's strain, and I like to take the back of the spoon and just press it on the carrot, and this way juice is extracted easily and we get every last bit of the juice out. Now take a look. Here we have our carrot rose water liquid, and we're going to blend a second time. So let's reach back for the blender. Now today I'm going to be using some powdered milk. Some people tend to call this milk powder. It is rich in lactic acid. I have to slush off dead skin cells from the skin. I have to hydrate the skin and also have to leave the skin smooth. Now, powdered milk is good to use in any of your DIY recipes. If you do not have the powdered milk, go ahead and use your regular milk instead of the powdered milk. However, when you're using your regular milk, no more than about 2 tablespoons. Now let's reach back for our carrot rose water mixture, and we're just going to pour this in the blender along with the powdered milk. Now once this is done, we are going to be blending this a second time. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to give it a little shake. Let's cover, shake it up so that the powdered milk is not stuck in the bottom of the blender. And then I am going to be blending, and I'm going to blend well. Now after blending, take a look. Here we have this creamy goodness, and let me just pour this out for you to see. Let's look at that. That's milk, rose water and carrot juice. And now guys, we are gonna move along. I'm gonna reach for the aloe vera gel,
And if you have used a fresh aloe vera gel in the beginning, you do not need to use the store-bought, but today we are using the store-bought. And aloe vera helps to smooth the skin. It's a perfect ingredient to add to this recipe. It also helps to clear hyperpigmentation on the skin. And when you add it to the mixture of carrot and rose water and milk, it's also going to work on the skin to plump the skin up and giving that skin a natural glow. So I'm going to use a tablespoon of the aloe vera gel. We're adding this to the bowl, and now we are going to mix, and we are going to mix well. I personally like to add the aloe vera gel at the end because I like this mixture to be more of a gel-like consistency. If you put the aloe vera in before, it's going to be more of a cream-like consistency, and you can choose whichever way you want it, whether gel-like or cream-like. It doesn't matter. Now we're going to thoroughly dissolve the aloe vera gel in the mixture, so we are mixing, and we are mixing well. A natural, a simple DIY recipe that can smooth the skin, hydrates the skin, plump and firm the skin, and get rid of hyperpigmentation on the skin. So to store this, I like to store it in a small jar. You can store yours in any sterilized container that you have. But before I store this, guys, let me reach for some preservative. And today I'm going to be using some vegetable glycerine. Vegetable glycerine is hydrating on the skin, keep the skin soft and supple. But best of all, it works in your DIYs to keep bacteria out, preserving it for longer. I'm using a teaspoon of the vegetable glycerine. I'm going to mix this in, and I'm going to mix well. And now our remedy is ready. So let's reach for the storage jar, and let's just pour this in. Remember that you need to boil all your storage container. That's an easy way to sterilize them. You can also soak them in bleach and then rinse off thoroughly, and that is going to make sure whatever you add to your jar stay fresh for longer. And now, after pouring, take a look. Your anti-aging facial serum, a serum that you can use AM and PM on the skin. Just 2 to 3 drops daily will help to transform your skin. Store it in the refrigerator and use it up within 7 days.
And there you have it. Thank you so much for watching. You like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share. And now that you made it this far, guys, here I put 2 more videos for you to go ahead and watch either or either. And don't forget to leave a comment. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye-bye.